Don't let the Python Runtime Library DLL stop your apps from running. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and here is the safe method to clear it for good. Before we get started with Python Runtime Library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Python Runtime Library, a non-standard naming convention for the Python core library, usually named Python.3x DLL. It is frequently found in localized software launchers and game mod managers to house the script interpretation logic. If missing, the parent app will report failed to load Python runtime and will be unable to execute custom scripts. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The recommended solution is to reinstall Python Foundation. Visit Microsoft's site, download the Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64, and install them to repair the missing file. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Python runtime library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Python Runtime Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including Python Runtime Library Management references. To keep Python Runtime Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.